Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, I'll provide you a free Android project that is photo editing app. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So it will be a quick presentation of Android app. So I'll take you to AVD screen, switch it on. Here you can see all-in-one photo. This is our photo editing app. We need to click on it. After that, you will see this screen. Here there are two options available. First is album, second is camera. So let's click on camera. By using this camera, we can click photos like this, and we can use this photo by clicking on right click, or we can take another photo by clicking this. Then we have other option, that is album. So we need to click on album. After that, we have an image in our gallery, so we can click on it. After that, we have so many options available. As you can see, filter, frame, round, exposure, contrast, and so on. By using filter, we can apply different kinds of filter to our photo, as you can see, and click on right for applying. After that, we have frames. These are round. This is used to shape the edges of our photo. And after clicking on right button are the images saved in our gallery. This is all about our Android app. So if you want this app, I'll provide you a Google Drive link in the description box. You can download it from there. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications.